calculate. So also you need to apply the index, the law of indices here. Okay. So firstly, you need to know what is meaning 1/3. 1/3 is going to be, what does it mean? Huh? What is the meaning? It's six. It's cube root, means it's cube root. Okay. What is meaning is 5 - 3 there, according to the rule of 6. Negative is to be reciprocal 是导数过来。如果根据第6个 law ，OK the law 第6个 law 这边我注明的这边第6 law OK 我的不是个人OK 第6个 law 我们一个是negative integer is means is to be reciprocal 导数过来，这边1/5 power 3。OK 这样的意思。After that, you need to understand what is a cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. Okay? How about this one? 1/, that's meaning 5 to the 5 cube is 5 times 5 times 5. That means 125. Okay? So finally we get the answer should be in 4/125. Okay, 125. This one is you need to understand Okay. Okay, no easy first is 1/3 cube root is according to the rule here, number 4. Cube root is means 1/3. Square root is 1/2, and so on. Okay. So that is meaning here. So you need to know how to what is the meaning of 64, cube root of 64. You need to know it's 4 lah. It's very easy 5 cube is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. Times again 5, we get 125. Okay. Go to the third one. The B. Question number 2B from your textbook. Okay. Page 25. Okay. Page 25. So that is meaning 1/, this one is our negative integers. That is meaning is reciprocal 导数过来1/7. That is meaning 7 power 1 is 7 Okay. And another one is already know that cube root. 1/3 is cube root. Okay. It's cube root. Okay. Cube root. Okay. Cube root 123 5 and 2 to the power of 2. That is meaning 2 is power, 3 is a cube root. Okay. 1/3 is a cube root. 2 is power or square. Okay. It's a power. You need to know what is meaning here. Okay. Go to the next step is 1/7. I haven't do anything with this one. You need to know 127 cube root is 5. Okay, 5. 125 is 5. 5 times 5 times 5. 125 already mentioned before. After that, you need to have a square again. Okay, so that is meaning we get the answer is 25. 5 5 25. 25 25/7. Or you can simplify become 7 3 21. Okay, 3 and 21 4/7. Okay. No easy Okay, this one is a question number 2B from your textbook, page 125. Okay, so we go for next questions. C now going to be C here. We move on down here. Okay, move the rule here. Actually need to be in your mind already. No need to refer anymore. Okay, go to this one. This one what is meaning? This one a little bit harder again. What is 1/8? This is that is meaning. Okay, that is meaning is 8. The root of 8 for 256. Okay, that is meaning. Okay, the root of 8 of 256. 56 and to the power of 3. Okay, that is meaning. Okay, no easy, huh? Okay, go to the second, you go for the 2 to the power of negative 3. What is the negative mean? Is 1 over. You need to have in your mind 2 over, that is in 3. Okay, what is meaning here? Is negative is 1 over. This one is very important for you to understand, huh? Okay, so what is meaning? We are going to have this one, cube root, this one root of 8. That means you are going to multiply 8 times to get 256. No easy, huh? We get the 256 square root first. So 256, 16. Okay, square root of 16 for 16, we get 4. That is meaning we get, what is meaning? We get this one is 2. I need to do under square root. That is meaning we have 8. Okay, and 2 times 2 times 2. No need to be like this, huh? Okay, that is power of 8. Okay, in order we get the that is in here. Okay, and to the power of 3. Okay, and that is meaning we get this one is to be 1 over 2 times 2 times 2, 244. Okay, 8. Okay, go to the next step. We get this one is a square, the root of 4 and power for 8. Root of 8, power 8, we cancel each other. We got 2 to the power of 3. Okay, that is 3 times 5 times 1 over 2 8. Okay, that is meaning 2 to the power of 3 also. Okay, that is meaning equivalent to only 1. Okay, simplify become 1. The answer is 1. Okay, answer is 1. Actually, this one no need to change to this one. Still remain 2 to the power of 3. Okay, remain the same thing, huh? Because this one 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. 2 cube divided by 2 cube is equal to 1. Okay, no more to understand this one. Okay, so we go for next steps. Okay, go to next step. 2 to the power of 4. Why the 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 16. We get 16, this one. Okay, after that, you are going to get the 2 to the 16 cube root, root of 4. Okay, root of 4. Okay, for 16. And I forgot. This one negative. I can forgot to get to cancel negative. Negative is meaning 1 over 1 over. Okay, to the power of 3 over 4 in bracket. Okay, so that is meaning 1 over. Negative no more because 1 over already. Okay, this one is very important. So what is in here? We get this 16 over, okay, over 16 square, what is meaning? Square root for root of 4 for 16 power 3. Okay, so what is meaning? We get this one. We get this one. No easy, huh? Yes. In order you can type this one, you need to understand the rules there. Okay, now we try sentence. Okay, now we are going to have a 16, 16, okay, 16 divided by, what meaning, divided by that one. That one is 2 lah, 2 of power of 3. Okay, that is meaning. Okay, so what is meaning? You will get the answer 16 divided by 248除8. So what answer? answer is will be 2 only. Okay, that's meaning here. Okay, so not easy for you to understand, huh? Okay, go to next. This will be okay. Go for a question. This one square root 77449. You need to understand is 7. Directly we get this one. So this one what is meaning? What is meaning is 1 over 2 square. 3 square. Okay, 3 square. That is meaning 1 over. Negative is 1 over. Okay, divide by what? This 1 over. Negative 1 meaning is 1 over. Okay, 1 over square root of 81. Okay, that is meaning. Okay, negative. This one is that is meaning here. Okay, one negative already become the inverse already. Become inverse reciprocal already. So what is meaning? We get the answer should be 7 over 7 over what? 339. Okay, this one. Divide by no divide. Now we are going to multiply already. Multiply is you reciprocal again, become square root of 81. 81. Okay, 81. Reciprocal. Divide this one divide become multiply become reciprocal 1 over square root of 81 become square root of 81 over 1. Divide by 1 still the same. So what is meaning we are going to get this one 7 over 9 okay times 9981 9. So finally we get the answer is to be 7 because 9 divided by 9 no more. Okay, this one is the answer you need to understand. Okay, what is meaning here you need to understand that reciprocal negative 1 is reciprocal 导数过来，这个 negative indices 那个是导数过来，根据第几个 law 第6个 law the sixth law. Okay, the sixth law the law of 6 here. Okay, according to the list here according to this one list. We go for further for this question again. Okay, what I'm going to do that for this one also same thing. 1 over 3 stays within Q root. Q root. Okay, Q root 123.25 and power the square. Okay, that is meaning. What is meaning is negative If you see the negative, directly you need to know you need to be inverse. Okay, you need to inverse 1 over 25 no more negative anymore to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, that is meaning. That is meaning negative no more because 1 over already. Okay, after that you are going to divide. Okay, divide by 1 over this one also inverse again. You need to inverse again. How to inverse 1 over no more negative 1 over 225 625 to the power of 1 over 4. Okay, that is meaning the question is okay, that is meaning here. We get this one. Okay, so after that you need to understand this one is Q root of 125 is 5. OK， 125的 Q root 是5，然后 power square， 然后有 square， 然后有 times what， 1 over 那个是 square root 那个是 square root 来的。OK， 25 OK， after that power 3这样的意思。OK， 然后除变成的时候变成什么？倒反掉。OK。变 1 over 变成导数过来，变成625这个是1 over 6 1 over 什么意思？是 Q root root of 4 OK， root of 4 and to the 625. Okay, that's meaning. 哎，这样的意思啊，no easy 哈啊，so this one we get 25 times what times 1 over square root 25 5 25，然后 power 3 okay power 3 so what is meaning here I'm going to get this one 这个是25之除乘4次 OK 意思说 square root of 4 to the power 4 to the power of 4 okay that's meaning so we get root of 4 power 4 no more 4 5 sorry not 4 5 this one is 5 okay so we get this one what is meaning here so what is meaning 25 times 525 125 1 over 225 okay so what is meaning this one times 5 again okay so what is meaning here okay this one is equal to that's meaning we get 1 finally only 1 1 number 1 okay you get the position number 1 in the class finally it's all so complicated simplify become only 1 only left here okay so that is meaning is